Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. Stephen Curry. Early life and family. Stephen Curry, born Wardell Stephen Curry II on March 14, 1988, in Akron, Ohio, is a professional basketball player known as one of the best shooters in NBA history. He is the oldest son of Del Curry, a former NBA player, who taught him the basics of basketball. His mother, Sonia, a former volleyball star, helped him learn discipline and hard work during his childhood. College career. Growing up in Charlotte, North Carolina, Curry attended Charlotte Christian School. Despite being a standout player in high school, he received limited attention from major colleges, leading him to choose Davidson College. At Davidson, he quickly made a name for himself. This was especially true during the 2008 NCAA tournament, where he led his team to the Elite Eight and averaged over 30 points per game. His strong college performance earned him a spot as the 7th overall pick in the 2009 NBA draft by the Golden State Warriors. Rise to stardom. When Curry joined the NBA, many doubted him because of his slim build and perceived lack of athleticism. However, he quickly proved them wrong. Known for his incredible shooting ability, especially from long range, Curry transformed the Warriors' offense. In the 2012-13 season, he set an NBA record by making 272 three-pointers, showcasing how his skills changed the game. Championships and awards. Curry's breakout season came in 2014-15, when he led the Warriors to their first NBA championship in 40 years. His amazing play earned him his first MVP award. The following season, he achieved even more, leading the Warriors to a record-breaking 73 wins and becoming the first player ever to be voted MVP unanimously. He helped the Warriors win back-to-back titles in 2017 and 2018, further cementing his legacy. Charitable work and personal life. Off the court, Curry is known for his charitable work. He has been involved with the United Nations Foundation's Nothing But Nets campaign, which provides mosquito nets to help fight malaria in Africa. He also started the Stephen Curry Foundation, focusing on education and community support. In his personal life, Curry married Aisha Alexander, his college sweetheart, on July 30, 2011. Aisha is an entrepreneur and TV personality, known for her cooking show, Aisha's Home Kitchen. The couple has 3 children, daughters Riley and Ryan, and son Cannon. The Curry family is often seen participating in community service, showing their commitment to helping others. Stephen Curry's impact goes beyond his impressive scores and awards. He has changed how basketball is played, inspiring younger players to focus on skill development, especially in shooting. His humility and work ethic make him not only a basketball star but also a role model for many.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.